ज्या दिसासान फ्रॉम द टायम ते रिजायन जाले आम आदमी पार्टीचे कितले स्टॉलवर्ड्स येयलेले आसा. केजरीवाल तर येयलो, पंजाब CM येयलो. एनी टायम दे अप्रोच करता, दे ट्राय टू कॉन्टॅक्ट यू, समथिंग.
नो, ज्या दिसा प्रेसिडेंटशिपांतल्यान काडले, म्हणजे ज्या दिसा प्रेसिडेंटशिपांतल्यान दे सेड दॅट आय एम रिलीव्ड ऑफ माय ड्युटीज, दॅट वॉज आय थिंक प्री ईव ऑफ क्रिसमस. मागीर क्रिसमस जालो, न्यू इयर जालें. आय वेटेड टू लॉंग टू इवन गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम एनी वन ऑफ द लिडर्स
Solo
with whom
calls
I
only.
worked until the day I tendered my resignation to even say, how are you? But that has not come. So I think it's politics. I always believed that politics has emotions, but I didn't feel the emotions when that call didn't come.
पण आता सद्याक तुमचो लिडर गोंयान आसा, तो पयलींचो लिडर ना.
पळय, आमचे गोंयचे जे कांय लिडर्स आसात तांचे बरोबर हांवें काम केलां. दे वर इनफॅक्ट नॉट अवेअर ऑफ वॉट इज हॅपन्ड अँड हाव दिस इज ऑल हॅपन्ड. इनफॅक्ट देर वॉज लॉट ऑफ I think the new president Valmiki gave a media bite or a interview where he says that they were consulted before my removal. Now I have clear cut understanding from them that they never knew what was happening. So you can't cover up something by way of lies. And काल एक मंत्र्यान म्हणला तशें, there can be 1,000 lies but there is only one
So our
truth.
president told lies in Goa.
I see, if he knew, then there was a conspiracy to remove me. If he didn't know, then why does he say that he knew and the entire team knew, and why did they get together, as I am told, to say that this is a wrong decision which has been done?
So nobody has contacted
nobody
you?
has contacted me. I have very good relationship with Ma'am Atishi, even in fact Kejriwal sir also, and my mentor Pankaj Gupta ji. Ye je asa, these are Pankaj Gupta has been like a father to me in politics. He has taught me a lot. Sandeep Pathak in organization skills, and Atishi ma'am, like आमी जाका मावशी किंवा काकी म्हणटा जी who will mentor you, and she has done that job, and I don't want to take it away from her when it comes to mentoring me in a particular direction in politics. Of course, when it comes to being non-emotional, overnight, it does affect me as a human. As a politician, this has been a blessing, because I don't like to cheat. I would have never cheated my party, and this has paved a way for by the grace of God. And I believe there is nobody as mightier than God. He has a way for you ahead. He has written a way for you ahead, and my path is obviously written by him.
Thank you.